So then we like this.
Yep. It goes down. Push your weight up. There you go. Now unlatch them. There you go. Now make sure you put it. Don't put it in your knees. Put it in your glutes, in your quads, in your hands. All right. There you go. All the way up. All right. Again. Breathe. Go. Again. Give me 10 good strong. Emphasis in here. Emphasis in there. Not here. Breathe. Come out. Now get them two together. Okay. Put it in here. Put it in here. Oops. Pause in here. Right. Give me another. Lock it out. Just set. Lock. Now lock it. Lock it all the way. Good set, Bubba. Good set. Now we can go close. We can go close all right. Alright, we're just going wide. We'll go wide first. This next two seconds we're going close, okay? Bring it up right still, right?
It's not working. It's not working.
Legs ain't long enough. Well, it ain't gonna go no well. Hold on. Unlatch it. I got you. Unlatch it. You gotta push it. Okay, yeah, your legs. Now, there you go. Now, bring it back now, Brice. Hold on. Bring it down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit more. Now you let it go, Brice. Let it back. Yeah. Now you catch that. Yeah. All right, Manziel. You know Manziel not that tall either. That's all right. Okay, we control the weight. Make sure put the emphasis of weight in your glutes and put it in your what? Your knees. When we going down, we're breathing up. In, pushing out, breathing out. All right, let's go. Don't go too deep. Right there, it's cool. Right there. Right there. 3. So we breathe in. Breathe out. We're going down, explore. Again. Good, sir. Good, sir. One more. Lock it out. Lock it out. Perfect. Now, this machine right here, the leg press, this